the cloud. Hi, everybody. We're at a 201 today, and we've had a question that may come up for a lot of you. We shared an example in one of our how to add local resources to your new online resources page. And we shared an example of a page that has, these are just text boxes, text modules, but they have a little bit of animation and they have some motion to, and they have some shape to them that makes them look like tabs, so that when you see them, hover over them, you click on it and it creates a jump down to another section of your page. And then if you click on there, it brings you down to here. I had a question about how to do that and how to modify those. Another example, we did the same thing here on these two. Brendan helped me a lot with this, so I'm not going to promise I'm going to be able to give you every bit. What I usually do is I go steal it off of another page when I don't know how to make it work. But what we are going to do today is we're going to look at this example on the Wabino website and see if we can make these buttons look a little bit more like the example buttons. So we're going to enter the front end builder. And, oh, came up right away this time. So I think what I'll do is I'm actually going to go and jump in the front end builder for, just so we can compare as we go here.
And is this just for aesthetics?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's literally for aesthetics. This is just fun right now. Because like right now, if you hover over them, nothing happens. It's still perfectly functional.
Okay.
So you do not have to do this by any means. Let me scooter. Okay, let me, and then I'll just have the load this page. Okay, and I'm going to enable Visual Builder here. And then we can just cross compare. My advantage again is that I can go into any of these websites and grab examples off of them from the back end. If you see something on somebody else's website that you really like and you want to know how to do it, just send in a ticket and we can pull it for you, or we can give you some of that information. So just so that we see what's happening here. The content piece is the easiest part. There's really not going to be much difference, or the content is what your content is. Oh, in this case, I see what you did. You used a blurb here, and that might make things, that might be what Jasmine's doing that's making it a little bit different with why hers don't connect to each other, but we're going to see what happens here. And then this one is a text box. So in a text box, you would just put the title information into the area, and then everything else comes under the design tab. Let's see how it would be different in a blurb. So under the design tab, the first thing that we want to look at, you can modify your text size and everything in there. Title text, which we're not using title text in this case. Or yeah, we are using title text. We'll have to talk about that in a minute. Let me see. I'm kind of waiting to, I am recording this, but in case Jasmine can join in. Okay, so here's our first major difference, and I'll catch Jasmine up on this in a second. Under border. So under the design tab and under border, what you see on this example here is that it has a rounded border. And in this one, it has a rounded border on both edges. This one, it has a rounded border on the desktop view on the left-hand side. And then when it goes to hover, it's going to pop up and it has a rounded border on both sides. And in this case, it's rounded by 10 points. You can modify that and make it a lot higher. And in that case, it makes it almost a button here. Or I'm going to undo all of that there and put it back. And that was just on the, so there's the desktop view and then there's the hover view. So Jasmine is just saying what we are first looking at is under design, there's the rounded corners under border. So that's what we're working on first. So right now you have square for everything. And in this case, it is rounded because they're squished together. They're only rounded on the one side for the desktop view, but as soon as the hover comes in, it's rounded on both corners. This little lock thing is going to be, could be a nemesis. If you don't unlock it, it changes the corner for everything. If you unlock it, then you can have the ability to adjust just one corner. So now we've got one on one corner and we can make it on that corner and we can leave the bottom one like that. We'll talk about more of your design things going on in a second. But that's the first major thing. Then you can add that hover animation or the hover, and you could have the border do something completely different on hover, as is the case in this one. But since they're not tight together, maybe you're fine with it just being desktop for that view. Then the next thing going on here is and I think in this one, the animation is in the row. It's in a weird place because I had to ask. Yes, is that it? Slide up. Okay. So you could do this either to the entire row, or you can do this in the individual blurb. But if you want it to pop up like the other ones, you come in and you select a slide and slide up. And then in this case, we have, it's much faster. I think it's because it's the size of this space in here. Repeat once. Yeah, I think that's why. But you could make it last. It's going to do the whole thing. Okay. Let's see what about decrease the intensity.
There we go.
That looks a little better. And you could even, but we only want the animation on the hover. That why it's, maybe that's why it's in the, nope. I think it might be even out just on this page in general. See, this is why I go and I look at another page. Yeah, so this one, it appears on, so that's not the pop over hover. It appears when the page loads that there's a delay on that animation. So you could do that if you like it to, when you load the page, if you want those to be obviously loading after. We can try that and just see what you think of it. Let's save that and we can always undo it. Okay, so you see how it appears after the page is loaded? Yay or nay? Or somewhere in between? Yeah, keep it for now. We can always get rid of it. Okay. And if you want to get rid of it, all you can do is go into the animation and say none. And we can roll all this back and let you play with it later. Okay, so let's take a look then back here. Oh, table visual builder. And now I just gave a really big lecture earlier on website accessibility. Most of these features should still fall under the accessibility, but we're going to be learning about that as we go. So we have animations are one of those things that are discouraged under accessibility because people who have visual sensitivities or motion can trigger epileptic seizures. This is why having an animation have it once, have it do it once, or have a way to disable animations, such as on these websites with this, you can disable all animations, and then you wouldn't have. And as that person navigates your website, those things would be disabled, and you would have a fully accessible website. Be in compliance. And get our page back. There we go. While I wait for Divi to be Divi. Okay, so we're still back in here. So Jasmine, when you stepped away, the first difference I noticed is that what these tabs are here are text boxes, and you chose to use a blurb module instead of a text, which may be part of the differences that we're seeing. We'll figure out to what extent, part of the reason like why there's a gap between them. The text will expand to the whole thing and the blurb may not. So we will learn together on what the capabilities of a blurb are. Let's see. So then back in here, I'm going to, because again, we had that border happening, and then we want to see about an animation or a transform. Ah, this is where it is, I bet. No, it's not. That's actually where I would have thought it would be. Okay, not it. That isn't there either. So tell me, my friends. Oh, that's not. So I would have thought that the sizing difference would have been in the transform piece, which we probably could try to recreate. So if it's 100% and then on hover, you could have this, unlock it, have it, okay, because it's both directions. Nope, that's right. That's not going to be it. You want to skew. Center. Let's see what this does. Does that just do the text? And I record myself and I think I know what I'm doing. This may be one of those. Nope, isn't going to do it. Okay, maybe it's in. Okay, I'm going to have to learn something new because I thought I knew where that existed and I don't. So I can give you that much, Jasmine, to give you corners, and you can add corners and that decide if you want it when it loads. And then if you want it to do the little pop thing, that will have to be next time's session. I will ask Brendan how to do that. The good news is if you mess around in here, I want to show you this. If you mess around and you make a change, come in here and click those three dots and you can do reset the style. I know I could come in, if I knew where it was, I could copy it and transfer it over. So if you do something you like to this and you get this one right here working the way you like it, the other thing you can do is click on the three dots and you can copy module styles. And then you can come over here and you can paste the module styles. The problem is what you're also going to get is you're going to get the color change too. So if you don't want them to all be the same color or you don't want to try to go change the color, then you have to do it more individually, one at a time. So there's some tips on that. We can also remove those corners for, go ahead and I'm going to reset this back to 0 so that Jasmine has a clean slate to start with. And I'll give her this recording so that she can follow that. And then the what I think I'm going to do though is I'm going to copy the animation style. Copy the animation style. And then oops. Come in here, animation. Paste animation style. And on this one, design, animation, and paste that animation style. But then she can do her borders as she likes. So yep, I will work on learning about the that pop-up function, and because it's not in the animation places I would have put it, but that's Divi for you. And we can learn about that next time. I'll go ahead and stop this recording for now.